Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to invite your accountant or bookkeeper to Wave. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time, so let's get into it quickly. Now what you're going to need to do is to log into Wave, and then once you're logged in, you're going to go to settings, and under settings you're going to find users. Now there, just click invite a user. And once that's done, you're going to enter the email address of your accountant or bookkeeper. You can also assign them the appropriate role. For example, viewer, editor, or admin. Just choose the specific role that you want to assign to them. And then once that's done, you're going to click send invitation. Now they're going to receive an email to join your business on Wave. Collaboration is key, and in our next video we're going to explore how to connect Wave to third-party apps. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I will see you in the next one.